Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake so the wheel won't move. Once secure, put on gloves and eye protection. This protects you when prying metal parts. Use a plastic trim tool if available. It reduces scratching, or a flat screwdriver wrapped with tape. Find the small groove or notch on the Moto metal center cap and note the clip orientation, because knowing which way the retention tabs bend tells you where to apply leverage. Now insert the plastic pry tool or taped screwdriver into the notch and apply slow, steady outward pressure. Quick jerks can break tabs. Once you release one clip, move the tool to the next accessible point and repeat, freeing 1 to 2 clips at a time so the cap pops evenly. Keep rotating around the cap rather than pulling from a single spot. This balances force across clips and prevents bending the wheel lip or cracking the cap itself. If it feels stuck, pause and reassess clip positions. Once most clips have released, grip the cap and pull it free with a steady outward motion. You may use both hands to stabilize it. After removal, clean the wheel center and inspect the cap's clips for cracks or bent tabs, so replacements are ordered if needed. If the cap refuses to budge, apply a brief burst of penetrating lubricant or warm the cap with a heat gun on low to expand the plastic slightly. Make sure to protect paint and avoid overheating. This usually frees stubborn clips.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.